Hey y'all, it's Jonnae and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something different. Like, it's not that different, but it's a little different. So we're gonna be putting together my vanity and organizing my makeup because my makeup has been living in this bag right here. And I'm tired of keep having to pull my makeup out of a bag all the time. So I finally bought a desk. This is the, y'all can't see it and I'm not about to lift it up, but this is the Parsons desk from Walmart. I'll link it down below, but it's literally always sold out because they told me it wasn't available at none of my Walmarts. But I was shopping in Walmart the other day and lo and behold, I'm walking past and I see the Parsons desk. I'm like, oh shit, there you are, there she is. So guess what, I snatched her because she was the last one. They ain't have no other colors or nothing. Like, she was just the last one, just sitting there waiting for me. See the small area I have? That's where we're gonna put my makeup at. So if y'all want to see me organize my makeup and turn it from this to
lips,
this,
mascara,
then just keep watching.
like lip liners and pencils and stuff like that are in there.
Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is open up this fucking box. So yeah. I don't know how they want me to open it. Let me show y'all the desk so y'all can see in case y'all want to get it. Cause this desk was only, I want to say it's either like, I think it's like $59 because I bought a brush set, some sunglasses, and a bunch of other stuff, and my stuff only came up to $100. So I want to say it's like $59. That's why I wanted to get it from Walmart. Cause tell me why I had the exact same desk from Wayfair and it was like $100. And they sell it at Target. They sell it at, I insert like a screenshot of, cause on Walmart they got the actual company name. Cause it's not really by Mainstays. It's by like a company called Marywood. And they got the company name, and when you go to the website or the company, you see all the different places they sell it, and it's literally $100 everywhere else except for Walmart. So try to get yours from Walmart, because I had the same thing from Wayfair like 3 years ago. It was a while ago, like in my first apartment. This was my first like vanity desk. But yeah, it's the Parsons desk by Mainstays. I hope it fit in that little corner. I do not want it to like bulge out or nothing, but yeah. Let me try to open this shit. Is this why this red tape right here? So I can just open it. Ugh. Okay. Alright y'all, so here go all the pieces that came out the box. It looked like just the desktop and some legs, so I feel like I'm gonna just have to put the legs on, which I'm happy about. Oh, and that looked like some screws in there. It also came with this these instructions. I am gonna read those. Okay, so we here. It said I'm gonna need a screwdriver and a hammer, but I don't have a hammer. I'm sure I won't really need it, but this is really pretty. Like, look, it's like a woody white, like you see. Yeah, and they feel like sturdy. It should be less than 30-minute installation, so that's what we're gonna hold them to. say how far down to stick them. Y'all, it fits. Here go my little drawer. This drawer is way bigger than I expected it to be because I bought some drawer organizers and like it's not gonna cover up half this space, but that's okay. Okay, first I'm gonna go get this little chair I had out on my patio, or what do you call this, a balcony? I guess it's a balcony because it's high up, but yeah, I'm gonna go get this little chair. Oh, what is that, a fly? Get out. Get out. Oh no, he gonna... Girl. My cat go fucking crazy. She see a fly in this house. But yeah. I had this little chair on my... I had this little chair patio. But I think it'll serve better. It's my beauty chair for right now. It's not the cutest little chair, but... the chair that I want to buy is at IKEA, and unlucky for me, I know some of you lucky bitches, your IKEA is still doing pickup, but mine is not doing pickup, so I gotta work with what I have. I'm to show y'all the stuff that's going on top of my vanity. I have this little mirror. I've been had this. I think I got it from my mother, but basically you can turn the little light on. Yeah, so it got a little light, and you can connect your phone to it and have like play music and stuff. I hit up my best friend Dollar Tree, and I got these. I thought these would be cute to put my lashes in. I should have bought some of them, like, you know, the filler beads. These little drawer organizers. I got these from Dollar Tree too. I got some square ones, so we gonna see what's going on with those. We gonna put the brushes in first though. I'm gonna do like face, eye. Yes, I definitely need some beads, but this is
Okay, y'all, so this is how everything turned out. That's the inside of my drawer. Got my foundations and primers in here, powders, concealers, eyebrow, my palettes and my lashes back there. And we got all the brushes, my little mirror right there so I can move it when I feel like it. And I'm gonna put my laptop up here too because I don't really have nowhere to put my laptop. So yeah, that's pretty much it.